Introduction to Arithmetic. The book Introduction to Arithmetic was first written somewhere around the year 100 by a man that historians call a Neo-Pythagorean, which means he believed that numbers had magical properties and powers. What this man believed is irrelevant to the truth it describes. We should take note that the history of math started before most religions, and that math and religion have a strong historic tie, and so one needs to be cautious and alert to the reasons why people use math. But just because a crazy person wrote it doesn't mean it's wrong either. The Introduction to Arithmetic is one of those cases. Arithmetic is one of the branches of mathematics. Arithmetic is the study of numbers and the operations on them. An operation is a function which takes 0 or more input values to a well-defined output value. You could think of it kind of like a factory, where things go into a machine and out comes a finished product. A value may be any definite mathematical object, such as a number, a set, a shape, etc. Arithmetic only cares about numbers, and the main operators of arithmetic are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, powers, and finding roots. Addition is the idea of putting one or more of a given object into another group containing 0 or more of the same kind of object. The 2 or more input values in addition are separated by the addition operator, denoted like this. For example, if we have a box of apples, and we want to add more apples to that box, the sum, meaning the summation, meaning the total number / last number counted when counting a number of things, could be found by arithmetic. For instance, one could put these apples in a box, then remove every apple from the box and line them up. So let's do that. Now that we've lined them up, we could name them based on the number name which describes how many units would be the total. So starting at the left end, we could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Arithmetic removes the apples and adds a line. The number line was actually invented as an idea around the year 1600. 1500 years after the first book on arithmetic was written. Arithmetic, with the number line, makes it visually easy to track the number which represents a real amount of something. For example, if we started with 3 apples, we could mark that spot. If we were to now add 4 apples, that's 1 apple 4 times, so we move the mark up. 1, 2, 3, 4. We now have 7 apples. Subtraction is when you go in the opposite direction. Say you start with 7 apples and you eat 2 of them. 1, 2. We would then have 5 apples left. Arithmetic simplifies addition to the numbers alone. So when we had 3 apples and we moved 1, 2, 3, 4, we could find the 4 in the amount of bounces we had to move. Arithmetic says we can take 3 and use the operator plus and this number to get us to the number 7. Subtraction is when you take these numbers away. Say 7 minus 2 apples equals 5 apples. Therefore, arithmetic of addition and subtraction is used to simplify counting, or using the number line, or using visuals, and breaks it down to a simple operation of 2 or more inputs and 1 well-defined output. So in summary, arithmetic, a branch of mathematics that studies numbers, essentially turns a combination of taking this and this in order to create this, and simplifies that down to the numbers. therefore freeing up our mind to go on to higher levels of thinking. Don't forget to leave a like and comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Support Existence University at patreon.com/youexist.